Hi, water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. So, alamin natin ang iyong love reading. This is your Gemini, your tarot reader. Tignan natin ang iyong love life. Ano ang sitwasyon na na-encounter mo sa iyong relationship. Just a reminder, water sign, this is general reading, so this may or may not resonate with you, so don't take it personally. This is just a guide. Water sign, ano ang iyong love energy? Water sign, give me your love energy. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Ano ang main energy ng iyong love life? Okay. Water sign, the Grim Reaper. The relationship is over, no second chances. Grow and transform your life. Not enough, frustrated in relationship, lack of confidence, self-sabotage, fear, ego issues, and jealousy. And there's the Chaser, a codependent relationship, fear of abandonment. So tingnan natin, ano itong connection ng main energy mo sa iyong love life? Water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Ano ang connection ng main energy mo sa iyong love life? Water sign. Seven of Pentacles. Eight of Swords. The Moon. So there's a strong sign of Pisces, the Moon. An air sign with swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. An earth sign with pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. I'm seeing here na parang may mga bagay kang hindi alam na nag-lead sa'yo ng insecurity, confusion, kalituhan, anong gagawin, hindi alam kung ano ng status ng inyong relationship. Ikaw or yung person mo, there's so much waiting going on sa inyong relasyon na parang nagli-lead sa confusion. Diba? Ano bang nangyayari sa inyong relationship? Parang there is something na going on sa inyong relasyon na hindi maamin, hindi masabi ang katotohanan, ayaw malaman ang katotohanan, confused, hindi sigurado, lack of confidence. Alamin natin, there's so much waiting going on. Tignan natin ang iyong energy. Water sign. King of Pentacles. Two of Pentacles. Knight of Cups. You have a water sign with cups. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Tingin ko you are confused sa relationship mo. Kasi hindi ka sigurado kung it's over. Is it really over? No second chances. Nalilito ka because you are in a relationship, pero at some point there is someone new in your life. So, you are confused. Hindi ka sigurado sa nararamdaman mo. I'm seeing here, you are waiting for your person. Yung taong mahal mo. Kaya lang, parang there is something going on sa relationship nyo na parang feeling mo, walang improvement. Parang feeling mo, you have this kind of feeling na hindi magi-improve. Parang walang patutunguhan yung relationship nyo. So, masasabi mo ba na ikaw ang the chaser, fear of abandonment, or yung person mo? Kasi you've waited for so long sa taong mahal mo. Pero ang naibibigay niya lang sa'yo ngayon, frustration, lack of confidence. You are in doubt ngayon sa relationship niyo. Kasi may mga hindi ka alam. May mga hindi sinasabi sa'yo. Kaya confused ka. Ano bang status niyo? And someone is trying to talk to you. Diba? So, may 2 options ka ngayon about love life. So, yung kalituhan mo, hindi lang sa relationship ng partner mo at sa'yo, kundi yung taong mag-o-offer ng love towards you. Tignan natin, water sign. You have four of Pentacles. Strength. High Priestess. So, there's a strong sign of Leo involved. Tingin ko, you're still holding on sa taong mahal mo. You're just having this kind of inner strength sa sarili mo na kakayanin namin to. Makakasurvive kami. Pero, dahil nga siguro you are in a long distance relationship, hindi mo alam kung ano bang status nyo. Ano na bang progress ng relationship nyo? You're trying to understand kung ano na ba yung nararamdaman mo sa person mo kasi siguro nahahati na ito. 'Di ba? Inaantay mo siya. You're waited for so long kasi mahal mo siya. Pero at the same time, hanggang kailan? You are frustrated in the relationship. There is a frustration. Ayaw mo naman siyang mawala. Pero, hindi mo kasi alam kung anong patutunguhan ng relationship mo. You're trying to control to compose your energy, pero nakakaramdam ka pa rin ng confusion. Lack of confidence sa inyong relationship. So, this will open a new way para sa new suitor mo bago manliligaw. You're trying to consider new person sa iyong buhay. Tignan natin kung ano ang masasabi ng angel guide. Pero just be careful, this new person may be the codependent energy na hindi mo pa kilalang lubusan ng taong ito with the moon. May mga hindi ka pa alam about this person. Kilalanin mo muna siya with the high priestess. Kailangan alam mo kung ano ang intention ng tao na ito. So, tingnan natin ang masasabi ng angel guide for water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay. Water sign, don't stop. Diba? Huwag kang tumigil na alamin yung katotohanan. Peaceful resolution. Magkakaayos din kung ano yung sitwasyon na meron kayo. Take action, make a move. And forgiveness. Tandaan mo, water sign, kung kayo ay meant for each other ng taong karelasyon mo, try to reconcile with this person kasi mahal mo siya di ba? Naguguluhan ka, hindi mo alam kung ano yung estado ng relasyon nyo, pero mahal mo siya. So, don't stop. Take action. Kailangan may gawin ka rin para sa relationship nyo. Sabihin mo yung nararamdaman mo. Para hindi ka na makaramdam ng anxiety and lack of confidence. Try to forgive kung ano yung mga pagkukulang ng kapartner mo. Doon mo masasabi na naging matured na ang relationship nyo. Pareho na kayo nagko-compromise sa isa't isa. So, tingnan natin kung ano ang advice ng oracle. Pero kung tingin mo na hanggang doon na lang, the relationship is over, if you are considering the new person in your life, then kilalanin mo muna siyang mabuti. Huwag mong gawing rebound yung person dahil lang nasasaktan ka sa iyong partner. Diba? Kung you're considering the person, yung new person sa buhay mo, kilalanin mo muna siya. Huwag pabigla-bigla sa desisyon dahil lang takot kang mawalan ng karelasyon. Don't let pride get in your way. Sa inyong relationship, huwag niyong paiiralin ng pride kasi walang patutunguhan yan. Prosperity lies ahead. A new romantic cycle begins. The answer you need are coming and work through your fears. I'm seeing here na tingin ko Ipaglalaban mo yung relasyon mo with your person. A new romantic cycle, meaning magkakaroon ng rekindle or moment, a second chance ang inyong romantic relationship with this person. Just work through your fears. Yung mga anxiety na nararamdaman mo na hindi ka sigurado, diba? Don't let pride get in your way. You have to talk with your person, with your partner. Pag-usapan nyo, ano ba nafe-feel mo sa relationship nyo? Ano ba yung anxiety na nararamdaman mo? Ano na ba ang estado nyo sa inyong relationship? Nang sa gayon, ma-address yung mga issues na pinagdadaanan nyo. Kasi kung mahal nyo ang isa't isa, huwag nyong sayangin yung pagmamahalan nyo. Pero if you are considering the new person in your life, maybe a new romantic cycle begins. The answer you need are coming, water sign. Tingin ko, alam mo na kung ano yung kasagutan para sa iyong sitwasyon. Thank you, water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you, water sign.